Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to remove the nth index character from a non-empty string. So let's start this with the program. Here in the first line, this defines a function named remove nth index char that takes two parameters. Input string, a string from which a character will be removed, and n, the index of the character to be removed. Now in the next line, this is a docstring, a multi-line comment that describes the purpose of the function, its arguments, and what it returns. Now in the next line here, we will check the input validation. This line checks the index n is invalid. If n is less than 0, the index is negative, which is invalid. Or if n is greater or is equals to length of the input string, then the index is out of the range, means greater than or equal to the length of the string. Now, if n is invalid, a value error exception is raised with a message that index n is out of range. Now, in the next line, we will modify the string, as this slices the string to get all characters before the nth index. Here, this input string n plus 1, this slices the string to get all characters after the nth index, and this both the slices concatenates two slices effectively, removing the character at index n. Now we will see the main execution block. This ensures the code inside this block runs only if the script is executed directly or not imported as a module. Now in the next line, this line prompts the user to enter a string and stores it in a variable. Here, this starts a try block to handle potential exception. In the next line, this prompts the user to enter an index and converts it to an integer. And the next line here, this line calls the remove nth index char function with the user's input and stores the result in result. Here, the next line displays the modified string to the user. It prints the string after removing the nth index character. Here in the next line, this catches any value error exception raised. For example, invalid index or non-integer input for n. Now, this last line prints the error message if an exception is caught. So, we will check this program, as we need to enter a non-empty string. Hence, now we have to enter the index of the character to be removed. So, the fourth number index character will be removed from the string. So, thanks for watching this video.